So today we are doing empties. These are December's empties. I know I'm filming this in January, but time got away from me. What can I say? Holidays. My mom's been in and out of the hospital. I have my own issues. Anyways, empties, whatever. Okay. This was a pretty good empties. It wasn't a lot, but it was pretty good. First of all, there was the Tarteist lip paint in Get It. And this, there's still product left in here. Not very much. I had it laying on its side because I threw it in the bucket, but it's pretty far down there. It's like down to here. It's just starting to look really, really crusty and get dried out. That was $20. Next was this little Tarteist lip paint in Rose. It was part of a little 2-pack that I got last Christmas, 2017. And it was like a $10 pack, so this would be $5. This was actually in a project, and I took the stopper out and everything, but it's really dried out and goopy now. So if you can see that, it's like almost done. I mean, there's not very much left in there, but it's just really goopy. Okay, next was a Too Faced Long Wear Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sellout. And this just started smelling really bad. $21. Next, there is this sponge. I don't know what brand it is, but if I knew, this would be my holy grail. I love this sponge. It's gotten all tears and stuff all in it. It's time to say goodbye. So I replaced it with this sponge. And yeah, it's dirty. All these sponges are dirty because they're trash. This sponge was from the AOA Studio, which is like the Shop Miss A brand. This was part of the Paw thing. It's the Super Soft Wonder Blender Teardrop. It's $1.55. It's trash. I used it one time. Trash. Next was the So AE Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. I have on here that it was stingy on my acne, but it smoothed my texture. Just the fact that a gel mask or a sheet mask or anything like that did anything, I'm excited about. This is $3. Next was the Wonder Beauty. These were the, what did they call them? Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. This was $4.33. I don't really see a difference, but I see masking as taking vitamins. Whether you like it or not, it's good for you. This one I actually do like, though. Oh, God, look at all that goo in there. See, this is why I put them in bags. This is the BioBelle # primer. Very brightening. You can see an immediate, just a glowy brightening to the skin. It's beautiful. This is $3.60. Next was Caudalie. This was the Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. And I used it all up, and I think it did beautiful on my skin, but it smells so bad. Not like terrible, like, oh my God, it's rotten, but like, it just doesn't smell good. And with my skincare, I know it's not important to your skin, but I want it to smell good. This is 10 mils, and this sample is worth $26.33. This was an AOA Studio Pure Cotton Squares. There's 40 of them in here. I liked them. It says that it's Japanese quality. I don't know what that means, but I liked them. I have repurchased them. They are on an order right now that hasn't arrived yet, but I liked them. That was $1. Next, there was the Nu-pore Aloe Makeup Remover Towelettes. There's 24 of them in here. This was $1. This is the, what is this? Global Beauty Care Collagen Makeup Cleansing Wipes. You get these at the dollar store. They're $1. They're okay. These was the Garnier Skin Naturals Simply Essentials Removes Waterproof Makeup Quilted Wipes. 25 of them in here. This was $4. Next, there was the Alterna Haircare, and this was the Anti-Frizz Caviar Anti-Aging Anti-Frizz Conditioner. That's what it looks like. And this sample is a 7 ml sample, and it was worth 27 cents. Next, there was the Hollywood Beauty Carrot Cream, a Hairdress. That I put this in my hair at night. This is worth $4.22. These are Hollywood Beauty Carrot Cholesterol Deep Conditioning Cream. I have 2 of them. They're like, you know, you get these once in a while when you buy the carrot creams. They're worth $1 each. Next was the Avon Footworks Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. And the 2 of these would have been $16.90. I use those all the time. I have diabetes, and that's the best thing I've ever found for being very softening to your feet. And they do have like an antiseptic, and they have lidocaine in them. So, I mean, they're kind of like, if you have like a little cuts or something, and you have lidocaine to take away the pain. Next, there was a Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream Radiance Renewal. I love this stuff. I've bought this stuff over and over and over. I love it. And this was $4.97. And then there was a bath band. Duh. You get those at the dollar store for $1. And then this is the April Bath and Shower Cranberry Cherry Scented Shower Gel for $1 at the dollar store. Oh, and I have a bunch of hair ties here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gross. There's just hair everywhere. Okay, so that's my bucket of empties. That was the last one of December. And that is everything. And the total was $122.17. What I plan to do this in 2019 is that I plan to keep track of all of my empties, all of my purchases, all of my returns. And my goal is to empty more than I spend. So that's the goal. And we'll see how that works. So give me a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi kids! Today we are doing empties. This is empties from December. You know how sometimes that cat that can't jump all of a sudden does this amazing acrobatic jump? Wow, sometimes she proves she's a cat. Pooh, get over here. Come help Mommy. Mommy needs help. She looks at me and yawns. She's like, yeah, you need a lot of help. Okay.